Hello everyone, welcome back to maths class. In the previous class we have discussed about the meaning of linear inequation and what are the rules to be followed while solving the linear inequations. Let us move on to exercise problems. Exercise 4a. In exercise 4a we can find first and second main with true or false problems. Basically, true or false problems are not so important by the examination point, but to understand the concept of linear inequation, it is necessary to solve these problems with true or false with a valid reason. Concentrate on the questions, children. It is in page number 44. X less than minus y is equal to minus x greater than y. Here, first let us understand what are the changes has been done. See, the first equation is x less than minus y and it has been changed, x has been changed to minus x and minus y has been changed to plus y, and there is a reverse sign, that is a change in the inequation sign. The less than symbol has been changed to greater than symbol. So we know by the rule, if both the sides of the equation are sign changed, then the inequation sign reverse or flips. So x has become minus x, minus y has become y, hence the sign of inequation less than has reversed to the greater than. Now let us come to second question. It is minus 5x greater than or equal to 15. So first we need to solve this. Let us solve this. X, I need to shift this minus 5 to the right hand side. So as the minus value is shifted, automatically the inequation sign will be reversed. Now x is less than or equal to minus 3. But the given equation is x greater than or equal to minus 3. Hence this statement is false. And the first statement, I could not say the solution. This is true. Let us move on to the third equation. 2x less than or equal to minus 7. What changes has been done here? The 2x is divided by minus 4 and minus 7 is also divided by minus 4. So when both the equations, both the side of the equations are divided by negative number, automatically the sign of inequation is reversed. So less than or equal to is reversed as greater than or equal to, hence the statement is true. Next, 7 is greater than 5. Therefore, 1 by 7 is less than 1 by 5. I hope you remember, children, rule number 6. When we take the reciprocal of the given inequation, the sign of inequality gets reversed. So reciprocal of 7 is 1 by 7 and reciprocal of 5 is 1 by 5. So 1 by 7 is less than 1 by 5. So first statement is true and the second statement is false. Third and fourth statement, both the statements are true. Let us move on to second main. It is also true or false. Observe the question, children. A is less than B. Then A minus C is less than B minus C. So we know according to the rule that if a same quantity is added to the given equation, hence it results the same. The sign of inequality does not change. So here what happens? We can say that this statement is true. In a similar way, second problem, A is greater than B. Here also the concept plus C is added on both the sides and hence there is no change in the sign of inequation. So this statement also remains true. Coming back to the third question. In the third question we can find here given equation is A is less than B, but A into C is greater than B into C. This statement is false. Why? Because a common quantity C is multiplied for both the sides so that the sign of inequation should remain the same. But here we can notice this is less than, this is greater than, hence this statement is false. And question number 4. Here A is greater than B, and when it is divided by the same quantity, divided by C, the sign of inequality should remain the same, but it is not true in this case, hence the statement is false. Coming back to the next question, question number 5. Here, if A minus C is greater than B minus D, then A plus D is greater than B plus C. You can notice, children, here there is only rearrangement of the terms. See here, minus D is shifted to the other hand side, hence it is plus D. Then minus C is shifted to the other hand side, hence it is plus C, and there is no any other rule to change the sign of inequality. It is greater than, here also it is greater than, hence this statement is true. Coming back to the next one, that is here A is less than B when, and the value of C is set as greater than 0. When a common quantity C is used for the subtraction, the sign of inequality should remain the same, but it is not in this, it does not remain same in this case, so we say that this statement is false. Okay, children, so true or false problems are only to understand the concept and the sub rules what we have learnt. Now let us move on to the actual solution. Kindly note down the question from your textbook. If x belongs to n, that is a natural number, so we need to find the solution set of inequations. Two sub questions are there. First one, 5x plus 3 is less than or equal to 2x plus 18. Now, while solving or while finding the solution of the given linear inequations, we need to remember all the rules what we have discussed in the previous class. And the very much important thing is we need to write the solution set for the given condition x belongs to natural number. I have already informed you, children, if x belongs to natural number, x belongs to whole number, and x belongs to integer, we are going to write the solution in listing method. But if x belongs to our real number, we are going to use rule method. So even natural number, whole number and integers can be written in rule method, but if it is a real number solution set, we are going to choose only one method, that is called as rule method. So as the listing method is preferred for all the problems, if the x belongs to natural number or whole number or integer, we are going to write the solution set by listing method. So first question, 5x plus 3 is less than or equal to 2x plus 18. So in all the problems, basically I keep in mind to keep my x value always positive. That is one of the clue which makes you to understand. Now in this case, I am going to shift plus 2x to this side and plus 3 to the other hand side. So then what is the solution now? 5x minus 2x less than or equal to 18 minus 3. So 3x is less than or equal to 15. X is less than or equal to 15 by 3. X is less than or equal to 5. So how we used to find the solution for the equations, same way we need to do here also. There is no any much changes. But when we are shifting negative values, we need to apply the rule. So here solution set, very important. So let us write solution set where x belongs to natural number. So therefore x is equal to, what is the condition, children? X is a natural number. It means as it is less than or equal to 5, I start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the end of the solution of the given question. So we have solved the equation in a normal way, and later the solution set is written by keeping into consideration that x belongs to n, that is natural number. Now you can pause the video and try your second problem, children. Later you can cross check with my solution. 3x minus 2 is less than 19 minus 4x. Same procedure. I am going to shift minus 4x to the other hand side. Hence it is 3x plus 4x less than 19 minus 2 to the other hand side. Hence it is plus 2. 3x plus 4x is 7x less than 21. X is less than 21 by 7. X is less than 3. Now here also solution set x we need to write. As it is less than 3 and natural number, we are going to get only two elements, 1 and 2. It is not said as less than or equal to, less than 3. So solution set is x is equal to 1, 2. This is the end of solution for question number 3. Now in question number 4, it is said that if the replacement set is the set of whole numbers, so it is set of whole numbers. Question number 4, solution set should be written for whole numbers. What is the difference between natural numbers and whole numbers, children? Try to recall. Natural number will begin with 1, all positive numbers, and whole numbers will begin with 0. It also includes only the positive numbers. So very simple calculation. Just try to understand how to apply the mathematic rules while shifting it. So here let me consider x less than or equal to 11 minus 7, x less than or equal to 4. So the solution set is less than or equal to, as it is whole number and it is less than 4, I need to begin with 0, 1, 2, 3. Equal to 4 means the 4 will also include. I hope you got this, children. Now second question. 3x minus 1 is greater than 8. Now what to do? Shift this minus 1. 3x is greater than 8 plus 1. Hence it is 3x is greater than 9. X is greater than 9 by 3. X is greater than 3. Here you can notice the solution set while writing x is greater than 3. So the solution set will start with the element 4, 5, 6 up to infinity. We cannot end the whole numbers. So greater than 3 means don't include 3. Above 3, after 3, which are the numbers? 4, 5, 6, and it is up to infinity. Now sub question 3. 8 minus x greater than 5. As I told you, children, I am very much doing it a simple method, always to keep my x value as positive. So hence what I am doing, I shift minus 5, 8 minus 5 greater than x. So 8 minus 5 is greater than x. We will get 3 greater than x. Hence x is less than 3. I hope my students know this. So when 3 is greater than x, it means x is less than 3. Ma'am, what happens if we keep minus x on the same hand side? Let me show that way also. That is 8 minus x greater than 5. Minus x greater than 5 minus 8. Minus x greater than minus 3. Now here you can notice minus on both the sides. Now just divide minus on both the sides. As we are dividing it, changing the sign of both the sides, the sign of linear inequation, it flips or it reverses. Hence it is x is less than 3. You can solve in both the methods. 8 minus 5 greater than x. Here minus x is shifted to the other hand side. So the solution is 3 is greater than x. It means x is less than 3. Alternate method, keeping minus x on the same hand side, 8 is shifted to the other hand side, hence it is minus x greater than minus 3. And when minus x is greater than minus 3, we can write x is 3, so that here minus both the side, the sign of the equation changes. So hence the sign of inequation flips from greater than to less than. Next is sub question 4. Sub question 4, it is 7 minus 3x greater than or equal to minus 1 by 2. So as I told you children, again here we have minus 3x. I will be shifting it to the other hand side to keep my value positive. So 7 plus 1 by 2 is greater than or equal to 3x. Take the LCM on the other hand side. So 14 plus 1 is greater than or equal to 3x. That means 15 by 2 is greater than or equal to 3x. That is 15 by 6 is greater than or equal to x. That means to say 15, 3 5s are 3 2s are is equal to greater than or equal to x. Now 5 by 2 means 2.5 is greater than or equal to x. Hence I can say x is less than or equal to 2.5. X is, it flips when the place changes. 2.5 is greater than or equal to x. It means to say x is less than or equal to 2.5. So the solution set should be 0, 1, 2. We are not going to write 2.5 as it is a whole number. So decimal values will come only under real numbers. So by this we have completed sub 4 questions. Next is question number 5. 18 minus 3 by 2 is less than 3 by 2 minus x. So let me shift minus x from right hand side to left hand side. So x plus x is less than 3 by 2 plus 3 by 2. So 2x is greater than, 2x is less than 6 by 2. That is 2x is less than 6 by 2, x is less than 6 by 4. So 6 by 4 is x is less than 3 by 2, x is less than 1.5. Hence the solution set is 0 and 1. I hope the point is clear children. Here what we have done. So I have shifted minus x to the other hand side. Hence it is plus x, which is less than 3 by 2 plus 3 by 2, its value is equal to 6 by 2. When 2 is shifted from this side to this side, it is 6 by 4. Simplified form of 6 by 4 is 3 by 2. Hence it is 1.5. As x is less than 1.5, we are going to have the whole numbers 0 and 1. By this, we have completed the solution up to question number 4.